Family, it's your boy Lando Success. Hope all is well. We got a rally going on. The whole crypto market is up 10% right now. So if you was investing within the last week, you are up crazy. Look at this. In the last 7 days, anytime you invested, you are up, and I hope you invested right down here, right at the bottom. I did a few videos of setting buy limit orders so you can trigger and buy right at here. And to be honest, this is a great selling day because most people don't know when to sell when a rally is going on or when you should take profits and stuff. Right now is a perfect time when you have all the momentum, everything is in the green, and you got more money coming in. So right now everybody's expecting Bitcoin to go to 25,000. People are taking good old call options. Everybody is excited, and that's when I would do the exact opposite. First thing first, you need to take some profits because no need to have this good rally if you're not actually making some money. So if we look at Bitcoin futures, okay, we would do 1 hour. We'd do 1 hour and we'll come back to that. So looking at all different crypto, I like Bitcoin up 14%. They're the godfather, so they are leading the rally. ETH up 8%. BNB back over $300, up 9%. And you see everybody else is following suit. Polygon Matic, I was able to buy in at 99 cents because that's the video I did with this and talking about ApeCoin. Like, look, y'all, anything under $1 is a win. So if you listen, you got in under $1, bam, it triggered. We got in right here. We didn't panic when it kept on going down. And now, once it hit 120, that's a selling point. That's literally a selling point. Okay, once it triggered to 120, you see it's getting close to it. So I would do 118. Like, you know, because it's playing with your emotions. And then I will sell because we are waiting to see the next drop and what's going to happen after this next drop. So let's start with the base. First thing first, why is this rally happening? It's all because of Silicon Valley Bank and all the chaotic and just insane stuff going on in the banking industry. Since they are quote unquote being bought or bailed out, a lot of people, what is SVB? Is it SBV? Silicon SILIC. I can't think of it. Let me see. I'll find it. What is the Silicon Valley Bank ticker symbol? Alright, I know it wasn't crazy. It's SVB, but I guess they have this. Have it like this. Look at that crash. $286. Bam. Think if you had a call option on this, we will all be millionaires at this point. Silicon Valley collapse, our financial system. Here's what happened. All the good stuff, all the crazy stuff. A lot going on. They even like halted trading on a lot of different things. So if we look at the trades right now, this is every hour. This is when things crash down. You see we had a good chart. We'd go from about right here and you started going down. Went up but looked like it went down. Slight right here, perfectly right on mark. Kept on sliding down from right here to right here. And you see it went right down to right here, and this is just a crazy spike up. Crazy insane spike up. So this look beautiful right now, but if you zoom in, I see it going up a little bit more, and I'm about to take some put options. Yeah, it's cause it could keep going up, but sooner or later we know it's gonna crash, and the question is, when is it gonna crash? Now if we look at Bitcoin charts in the last 3 months, is this the highest? We see Bitcoin at 24.25 right here. It's 25,000 in the last 3 months. So the highest we're reaching right now is 25,000. If we break over 25,200, Then we're going to keep on going higher. 25, 200, and then we'll be on our route to 30,000. Mark my words, we go past 25, 200, we're shooting to 30,000 quick. That's when I would change my position. But as of right now, it's going to hit 25 at the most, and then calm down and go and chill and stuff. So I think this is a good time to literally take your profits, because most people want to take at the perfect time. Nobody know when the high is, but at least take profits when you know you're in the green before stuff go down. Then you have to do it. Feel like everything is getting a little stagnant because you got more money going into it, and they're about to take a lot of people money. So that would be my game. Not a financial advisor, just a brother giving y'all some game. Let me know what y'all doing. Talk to y'all soon.